Yes, we shall pass on to the problem number 19 now under the exercise. Under this problem number 19, pass necessary ledger accounts and balance sheet immediately after the retirement of Magan. That is after the retirement of the partner. Okay. Prepare necessary ledger accounts. What are the necessary ledger accounts here? The important ledgers are revaluation account and capital account. So we shall try to prepare the revaluation account now. It is an account. I am repeating the same for each and every problem because this is one of the mistakes you do in the examination paper. So I repeat this advice again and again. This is a revaluation account. It is ledger like revaluation account. It is ledger like, therefore debtor and creditor we should write. And what are the columns here? Particulars, rupees, then particulars, rupees. And what we should write here? We should get the increase or decrease in the assets and liabilities. We should select those items. And otherwise we can call the profit items and the loss items we should select. From where we should select? We should select from the adjustments these items. The profit items we will write on the credit side and the loss item we will write on the debit side. Okay, now the first one, Rajesh and Sadish will share profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. Okay, it is in the ratio 3:2. Very good. Now, that is useful for the preparation of capital account. And go to the second adjustment. Assets are to be revalued as follows. How the assets are revalued? The value of machinery is 4,20,000. Now it is valued as 3,90,000. Therefore, the value is decreased. Therefore, it is a loss to machinery account. To machinery account. What is this? The balance sheet value 4,20,000. Now it has been valued as 3,90,000. So the decrease is 30,000. 30,000 is the decrease in the value of an asset. So we should write like that. Then stock. Stock 3 lakhs, but now it is valued as 2,90,000. 2,90,000. So in stock value also it is a decrease. So to stock it is a decrease to stock account from 3 lakhs to 2,90,000 it is. How much is the decrease? 10,000. Then the third one, debtors. Already the debtors 1,60,000. Now the debtors is valued as 1,52,000. Here also a decrease in the value of an asset. So debtors. This is 1,60,000 in the balance sheet. Now it is valued as 1,52,000. So the decrease is 8,000. Then the last adjustment, goodwill of the firm is valued at 1,20,000. This is connected with the capital account. So only the second point is, or the second adjustment is connected with the revaluation account, from which we can find the profit items and the loss items. So from the second point, we have calculated these three items, 40 plus 8, 48,000. Here there is no entry, write the same, that is 0, write the same 48,000, and this amount is the balance carried down, and it should be written how? By revaluation loss transferred to, who are the three partners? The three partners are Rajesh, Satish, Madan. Rajesh capital account, Then the second partner is Satish capital account, The third partner, Madan's capital account. So this 48,000 must be divided among the partners in the ratio, what is given in the beginning. In the ratio 3:2:1. 2:1. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 3/6. 2/6 into 1/6. You simplify this, 8,000. 3 into 8,000, 24,000. 2 into 8,000, 16,000. 1 into 8,000, 8,000. So this is the amount how it is divided by the partners. So this is the balancing figure is 48,000, and this 48,000 is divided by 24,000, 16,000 and 8,000. In the ratio 3:2:1. This is the revaluation account. Once again, I repeat the same, how we should prepare the revaluation account. Prepare necessary ledger accounts, it is the question, and the necessary, out of those necessary ledgers, two ledgers are very important. One is the preparation of revaluation account, the second one is the preparation of capital account. So we are attending now the preparation of revaluation account. Since it is an account, it is a ledger like, so we should write debtor, creditor. So we draw the format particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Here we should write if there is any loss item here and any profit item here. What do you mean by the loss item? Increase in the value of an asset is the profit item. Decrease in the value of an asset is the loss item. Increase in the value of liability is the loss item, and decrease in the value of a liability is the profit item, just opposite to assets. Now, where we can find in the problem? That is the next question. We should know. You need not go through the entire problem, and you should know after doing so many problems. We are going to complete, of course, chapter 5 we have already completed. Chapter 6 we are going to complete in 1 or 2 days, and by this time we should know where the items will be for this revaluation. You should remember clearly, you can find the items for this revaluation only from the adjustment. And in the adjustment there are 3 given in problem number 19. And what are they? Rajesh and Satish will share profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. Okay, that is different. Let it be. And that is not connected with this revaluation. The first adjustment is connected with the capital account. Okay, let it be. Then second one, assets are to be valued as follows. Revalued. How the assets are revalued? One, machinery 3,90,000. Already the machinery value given in the balance sheet is 4,20,000. Now it has been valued as 3,90,000. So the value of the machinery has been decreased. Therefore, decrease, it is a loss item. We have shown it here. 4,20,000 minus 3,90,000, therefore 30,000. Then the stock value of stock found or as per balance sheet is 3 lakhs, but now it has been valued as 2,90,000. The value of stock also has been decreased. How much? 3 lakhs minus 2,90,000, it is 10,000. The third item given is debtors 1,52,000. These are all assets. Decrease in the value of an asset is a loss. So this is an asset, this is an asset, and the debtors is also an asset. In almost in all the 3 assets there is the value decrease in value. Therefore, debtors balance sheet 1,60,000. Now it has been valued as 1,22,000. There is a decrease. Therefore, 1,60,000 minus 1,52,000 is equal to 8,000. So total amount 48,000. There is third point, and the third point is connected with goodwill. We should consider this for capital account. Here nothing doing. Here it is not connected with the revaluation account. So 1 and 3 are connected with the capital account. Only from the adjustment number 2 we have calculated or we have prepared the revaluation account. Here only loss items, no profit item, the balancing figure 48,000, and therefore the total loss, totally 48,000 loss. That loss should be divided among the partners Rajesh, Satish and Madan in the ratio 3:2:1, and therefore 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. 48,000 into 3 by 6 into 2 by 6 into 1 by 6 we have calculated and written here. This is the revaluation account. Pass. The second part of this sum is the capital account. Before preparing the capital account, we should keep ready something which is connected with the goodwill. Okay, which is connected with the goodwill. First one, who is retiring? Madan retires. Therefore, What is Madan's share of goodwill? Madan's share of goodwill is equal to goodwill of the firm is valued, that is the point number 3, 1,20,000, out of which anything can be divided by the partners in the ratio 3:2:1. That is given in the beginning itself. Therefore, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. That is 1/6 is the Madan's, because Madan is the third partner. You can find it in the balance sheet itself. Rajesh, Sadish and Madan. Madan is the third partner. Therefore, third number is for Madan. So 1/6. What is 1/6 of 1,20,000? You simplify this to 6. Therefore, 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees is the. This is one part. This 20,000 should be divided among the continuing partners. How it can be divided? This 20,000 is the share of the retiring partner, and that retiring partner's share should be divided among the continuing partners, that is the other two partners, Rajesh and Satish. We should be very careful in it. So at what ratio they should divide? Rajesh and Satish will share profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. It is given. Anyhow, we should find it also. We should find the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio. That is, first one, old share, old ratio is equal to the three partners, Rajesh, Sadish, Madan. Rajesh, Sadish, Madan. The ratio is 3:1, 2:1. 3:2:1. Therefore, old profit ratio. Old profit share that is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. This is the old profit share. What about new profit ratio after the retirement of Madan? New profit ratio, it is also given. New profit ratio is equal to, it is 3:2. So, new profit share is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, therefore 3/5, 2/5. Since Mr. Madan has retired already, nothing is in new ratio. Now, how to find the gaining? Gaining share is equal to new minus old. Old minus the new will give the sacrificing share. Here, new minus old will give gaining share. What is new for R? That is Rajesh, 3/5 minus 3/6. Minus 3/6. Then 2/5, new minus old. 2/5 minus 2/6. This is gaining share. This is equal to, you convert this both into 30 because 30 is the LCM for 5 and 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18 minus 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15. Then this for Satish, the same thing. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10. Now you can simplify 3 by 30, 3 by 30, and here it is 2 by 30. What is the gaining ratio? Then gaining ratio is equal to 3 by 30 is to 2 by 30, which is equal to 3 is to 2. By this ratio only, this goodwill should be shared among the partners. Who are the two continuing partners? Rajesh and Satish. So, Rajesh share, what should be Rajesh share? Rajesh share is equal to, out of this should be divided in the ratio 3 is to 2. So 20,000 into 3 plus 2 5, 3 by 5. Then Satish, next to Rajesh, Satish share. $20,000 into 2 by 5. If you simplify this, 4 5s are 20, 4,000. So 3 into 4,000, 12,000. Here also 4 into 2, 8,000. This is how the retiring partners' goodwill is divided among the continuing partners. Once again, I repeat the same. The second part of the question is capital account. Before the preparation of the capital account, we should make some arrangements for the preparation of the capital account. The first thing is, the total value of the goodwill in the business is 1,20,000. How much is the retiring partner's share? Already there is old ratio given, 3 is to 2 is to 1. Therefore 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Therefore the third partner is the retiring partner Madan. Therefore we should write 1 by 6. What is 1,20,000 of 1 by 6? Simplify it. It is 20,000. So this share of goodwill is 20,000, confirmed. And this 20,000 should be divided among the partners, continuing partners. How? For that, what we must do? We must find the gaining ratio. For finding the gaining ratio, we must minus new from old from the new. That is new minus old, we should say. So old profit ratio is this one. Therefore old profit share we should write in fraction. New profit ratio, it is 3 is to 2. Therefore new profit share will be 3 plus 2 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5. What is the gaining share? new minus old, new minus old, new minus old. That's what I have written. Since the denominators are different, we should make or we should convert the denominators into the same denominator. For that, 5 and 6, 30 is the LCM. So 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 18. Here 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15. Again the same thing here also. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10. So 18 minus 15, 3, 12 minus 10, 2. Therefore, the gaining ratio will be 3 by 30 is to 2 by 30. You write it in the fraction ordinary number, polynomial number, you write 3 is to 2. This is the gaining ratio by which the old partners should divide the retaining partners' share of goodwill. So, here who are the continuing partners? Rajesh and Satish. Rajesh equal to 20,000 into what value? 3 times, this is the gaining ratio, 3 by 5, simplify this one. Then Satish share, and this Satish is out of 3 is to 2, that is 2 by 30. And that 3 is to 2, therefore 3 by 5, 2 by 5. We are writing here for Satish 2 by 5, simplify 4,000, 4,000 into 2, 8,000. So, this is how the value of goodwill should be divided and shown in the capital account. We shall see the capital account now. Of the account is the capital account. This is the format of capital account, and for this capital account, particulars, 3 columns for 3 partners, the same thing on the credit side also. Particulars and the 3 columns for the 3 partners. So, this is capital account. Since it is a ledger, we should write on the corners debtor and creditor. We write the particulars the 3 partners, Rajesh, Satish, Madan. Rajesh, Satish, Madan. Rajesh, Satish, Madan. The same thing, particulars, Rajesh, Satish, and the 3rd partner, Madan. Right now, I told you already what should be written first. This is by balance brought down. We should write the balance brought down, and we should write the capitals of the partners: 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 50,000. 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, then 2 lakhs, 50,000. This is balance brought down. This is the first. What else next we should consider? I told you very many times, and revaluation account, general reserve, reserve fund, goodwill, after goodwill, profit and loss account, and the last one is workmen's compensation fund. Workmen's compensation fund. We should search whether any of these 6 items are available in the question or not. First one is the revaluation. What is revaluation here? If there is revaluation profit, we can write here. Since it is revaluation loss, we should write on the debit side to revaluation account. To revaluation account. Rajesh, Sadish and Madan. What is there? What is the share of them? We have already seen in the revaluation account, and that the revaluation loss 48,000 was divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1 and was written there. So what amount should be here? 24,000, then 18,000 and 12,000. 24,000 and 16,000 and 8,000. This is the share of amount what we have divided and written in the revaluation account. 24,000, if it is 48, is divided by 6, 8, 3 into 8, 2 into 8, 1 into 8, because the ratio is 3:2:1. 3:2:1. This ratio only should be taken. We have divided already. Then after this brought down we have written, revaluation also we have written. Now we should come to the point if any of these 5 items are appearing or not. Then in this general reserve is appearing, general reserve 1,20,000. That general reserve 1,20,000 must be divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1, because this is the old amount. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. Simplify and write 6 is, if you simplify, 20,000. So 3 into 20,000, 60,000. 2 into 20,000, if you simplify by 6, 20,000. So 2 into 20,000, 40,000. Then one time, 1 into 12, 12,000. C6, if you simplify this, 1 into 20,000, 20,000. So this is the amount of general reserve. What is the amount of general reserve? General reserve 1,20,000. it is divided among the partners in the ratio like this. So, by general reserve. By general reserve, the amount is 60,000, then 40,000, then 20,000. Okay, now general reserve is formed. Any other item, out of these two, only one will appear. General reserve, either general reserve or reserve fund. Okay, this is over. Then, goodwill we will have to do. Goodwill. How the goodwill was divided? How the goodwill was divided? We have divided as 12,000 and we have divided as 12,000 and 8,000. How it should be returned? Here, by Rajesh capital account. Amount is 12,000. And by, who is the other partner? Satish. Satish capital account. Satish capital account is 8,000. So, with this is over. Then, what is the other item? Any other item given there? General reserve only. This side nothing. And goodwill, point number 3, goodwill is also we have divided, and therefore the business this side is over. And go to the debit side. To who is the retiring partner? What is the name of the retiring partner? Madan. Therefore, Madan's capital. Madan's capital account. For Rajesh 12,000 and Satish 8,000, and for Madan nothing because he is the retiring partner. Now we have calculated everything. And we can find the balance of the capital accounts. One, okay. We can close and find. Find the total. This is 270 and this 2290, 2,90,000. And here only it is less, we can write 2,90,000. 2,90,000. Then go to the second partner. This is 3,40,000. So you write 3,40,000 and write the same here, 3,40,000. And Rajesh, it is 4,60,000. You write the same 4,60,000 here. Now, after minusing this amount, we should find the final figure that is coming under balance carried down. Okay, we shall see now one by one. What is balance carried down to balance carried down. The same thing here we should write by balance carried down. By balance carried down. Okay, now what is the balance carried down here? This 24 plus 12, 36, 4,60,000 minus 36, it is 4,24,000. 4,24,000. And for Sadish, 16 plus 88, 24,000. 340 minus 24, 3,16,000. And 2,90,000 minus 8, 2,72, 2,82,000. 82,000. So this should be the balance here. 2,82,000, 4,24,000 and 3,16,000. Okay, good. This is the balance. But the retain, I said in the last class also, which is an important point. In each and every problem I am repeating the same. If you don't listen to it, you will make the mistake. And here, the retiring partner is Madan. So, Madan's balance should not be shown here because already he left the business. Only for the continuing partner we can give the balance. So these are the two continuing partners. So for them only we can write the balance 4,24,000 and 3,16,000. We should write. Then what about the retiring partners to share? What we must do? If there is any instruction that he should be paid immediately, we can write here to bank account 2,82,000. 2,82,000 here. We can write against it in the particulars column to bank account 2,82,000 we can write. But no instruction is given here. Even the cash at the bank is only 20,000, it cannot be settled. Bank balance 20,000 தான் அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So how can be 2,82,000 given? We cannot give, that business cannot give. Okay, that is why no instruction regarding the settlement of the retiring partner is given. Listen very carefully. No instruction. If it is to be paid immediately, we can write to bank account 2,82,000. If it is not paid, if it is not paid immediately, we should write to Madan's loan account. Madan's loan account. If it is said, the amount is settled to bank account. If it is noted that not settled or nothing is given like that, it means that he has given his share as a loan to the business. That is very important. அவனுக்கு செட்டில் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தா டு பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் போட்டுடலாம். அப்போ நாட் செட்டில்டுன்னு சொன்னாலோ இல்லை எதுவுமே சொல்லாமல் விட்டுட்டாலும் we should treat that the retiring partner's share is treated as a loan given by the retiring partner to the business. So Madan has given his share as a loan to the business because his account is not settled. That is what I have written. So once again, here we should listen some important points. This is the second part, capital account. In this what we should write? We should write the capital first on the credit side in the name of balance brought down. That is given in the balance sheet question paper. So the next one, what we should do, out of these 6 items, anything is available in the problem, we should check. The first one is the revaluation account. Yes, we have prepared the revaluation account and found that there is 48,000 loss, and that 48,000 is divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1. Therefore, since it is a loss, revaluation account will appear on the debit side. If it is revaluation profit, we can write it on the credit side. Here it is a loss, therefore I have written on the debit side to revaluation account 24,000, 16,000 and 8,000. Okay, then this is what. Then next one, in the question, on the question itself, general reserve is given. What is the amount of general reserve? General reserve is 1,20,000. That 1,20,000 should be divided in the ratio 3:2:1. That is, this is old amount divided, must be divided by the old ratio. 3:2:1. That is 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. 60,000, 40,000, 20,000. That's what we should write. Here we have done these two attended. No reserve fund. Generally these two will not appear together. Any one of these two only will appear. Okay. Goodwill. This goodwill is given. We have found out the share of the retiring partner Madan 20,000, and that 20,000 is divided in the gaining ratio. In the gaining ratio, we have calculated already the gaining ratio, and the gaining ratio amount is 12,000 and 8,000. That also should be written here. That who gets from Madan? Rajesh 12,000 and Sadish he gets 8,000 from Madan. The same amount should be written on the debit side also. How Madan is losing. From Madan's capital, 12,000 is getting, Rajesh is getting, and 8,000 Sadish is getting. That's what I have written. After passing all these entries, we should come to the close. Here we have found out this total. Here also we can write the same total, and the balance is bigger. You see that this is 36,460 minus 36,424. 340 minus 24. This is 3,15,000. Then 2,90,000 and 8,000 minus 2,82,000. Here in the balance carried out, we should not write all the 3 partners balance amount, because Madan has retired already. Only for the continuing partner we can write this balance carried out. We can show the balance here. But for the retired partner, we cannot show it. And what should be done? His amount. His amount should be shown separately in the capital account itself. How? If it is settled to bank account. If it is not settled, we can write the retiring partner's names loan account. Madan is the retiring partner, therefore Madan's loan account. What does it mean? The retire partner, அவருக்கு வர வேண்டிய அமௌண்ட்டை பிஸ்னஸுக்கு கடனாக கொடுத்துருக்கா அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் டு மதன் லோன் அக்கௌண்ட் 2,82,000. Next part of the question is the balance sheet. Liabilities, rupees, and assets, rupees. This is balance sheet. After retirement, if any date is given in the problem, we can write that also on 31st March. Therefore, it is 1/4/2017. As on 1/4/2017. Either you should write this one or this as on. So here liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Now we can write one by one from the balance sheet. The first item, premises. Premises value is 4 lakhs. Then second item, machinery. The current value is 3,90,000. It is now valued. We need not show any depreciation, etc. because it is the value is given, current value we can write as it is. Then the third one, after machinery, the debtors. The next item is the debtors. What is the current value of debtors? It is 1,52,000. We need not minus anything because the current value is given. We need not minus and show. Then after debtors, stock 3 lakhs. But the current value is 2,90,000. Since the current value is given, we need not minus and show. Stock 2,90,000. Right then. Then the last item is cash at bank. Cash at bank. Cash at bank is 20,000. 20,000. Now go to the liability side. What are given? Capital accounts. Who are the two continuing partners? Rajesh, Satish. Rajesh capital is 4,24,000. Satish capital is 3,16,000. The total is 7,40,000. 7,40,000. Then, what about Madan? Madan has given his share as loan to the business. Therefore, Madan's loan amount is 2,82,000. Then go to the liability, anything is missing. General reserve, we have brought to the capital. Then creditors 50,000. Creditors 50,000. We should write as it is. Bills payable 1,80,000. Bills payable 1,80,000. Now we have attended all the items from the liabilities and all the items from the assets. And the point number 1, 2, 3 are all attended. Now we can find the total. Whether we are arriving at correctly or not, we shall check and find. This is 2,000. Twelve lakhs 52,000. 12 lakhs 52,000. Then we go to the asset side. To 12 lakhs 52,000. 12 lakhs 52,000. Since the balance sheet, both the sides value are equal, it is presumed that the accounts we have prepared is correct. And let us see now once again the balance sheet, how to prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet heading you write like this, balance sheet after retirement, or either you write this or you don't write, you write balance sheet as on the retiring date, that is after retirement. Since here the retirement was 31st March, after retirement this is the first year, 1/4/2017. Okay, you know the columns, liabilities, rupees, assets, rupees. Just to enter into the balance sheet given in the problem. Premises, value is given 4 lakhs, no adjustment. And regarding machinery, already the value in the balance sheet is given as 4,20,000, but the current value is given as 3,90,000. So we can write as it is. The debtors value is given, current value 1,52,000. Stock value is, current value is given, that is 2,90,000. Okay, after writing all these things, and what is the last item, cash at bank, that is 20,000 we should write. And regarding the capital account, first one on the liability side, Rajesh capital, it is the balance shown in the capital account. We have prepared already capital account. Under that capital account, this is Rajesh capital account 4,24,000, Sadesh capital account 3,16,000. It is shown as balance carried down and brought down. So we are writing it and writing. And the retiring partners balance is given. Retiring partners share is given as Madan's loan. Therefore, you write the same term here, Madan's loan 2,82,000. And in the liability side, creditors given, bills payable given, we have written as it is. Now, if you find the total, you will get 12,52,000 on both the sides. Okay, thank you.